Alright. Hello guys, this is our day 1. So papunta kami sa aming first camp na doon kami magla-lunch. Then I believe we are 20 in our batch. And then ang challenge ko lang dito is medyo masakit pa yung shoulder ko because of my motorcycle accident. So kayanin ko to for day 1. And then sinibayan naman kami na for day 2 is medyo mahirap, pero sana kayanin ng aking balikat. So yun lang. See you on the next camp. Ayan, this is our first community dito sa aming first rest point. The area is very foggy, the community is very friendly, and this is also our first, I'm so sorry, and also this is our first rest point, or this is gonna be our registration going to the summit of Mount Apo. So as you can see, nagtitimbangan sila for their things na kukuha ng porter, and I just decided na hindi na kumuha ng porter since I have 20 kilos na backpack and I'm still having injury sa aking right shoulder. So I hope na kayanin, and I believe that I can do it. Day 1 at day 2 lang naman ako mahirapan. Day 3 is madali na kasi pababa na kami. So let's do this. I'm so excited. See you guys. Hello team. So we're about to start our hike. Going to our first camp. So good luck to us. Boss Larry. Yes, almost an hour of walking. And then may nakita kaming community dito. Say hi! Hi! Ayan, no? Grabe. So, I just need to continue. So, mga 4 hours pa ang aming lalakarin. Mapunta namin yung next campsite na doon kami magla-lunch. So, see you around guys. We can do this together. See ya! Alright, nasa sitio Tumpig na kami. So, much better magpahinga talaga para hindi mabugbog ang aming mga tuhod. Yeah, this is the mini stop guys. This is sinasabi ko, mini stop.
Shoutout mo sila.
Shoutout lang. Thank you so much sa mini stop, pakisabi. Thank you so much sa mini stop. Siguro, pahinga na kami mga 5 to 10 minutes and we're going to continue. See you guys. Grabe. Life changing. Nasa campsite na kami for lunch. Yes, we're very excited. Ayan na. Ayan na. Tanghalian para sa day 1. Uy! Madulas. Madulas, madulas, madulas. Day 1 lunch time. Boss, Proylan, mga ilang minutes tayo dito for lunch?
10 minutes kasi dito na magla-lunch.
And I mean yung lunch natin 10 minutes lang. Lunch natin 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes.
10 to 15.
10 to 15. Thank you. Yes. Camp 1. Lunch time. So sponsored by my wife, Monique. So ang aking wife na si Monique ay nasa syudad ng Davao. Hindi siya sumama. Nag-enjoy lang siya doon. Pero ako'y pinagbaunan ng Bopis ng Maynila. Yan. This is my favorite food. Favorite lunch, tsaka pulutan. And then, it's my team. Taking a quick lunch, 15 minutes lang. Yes. Grabe. Thank you, Mami. See you after 3 days. Day 1. After the campsite, nag-lunch kami and then we're going to our last campsite for today. And we are so happy na medyo magandang klima natin ngayong araw. And then we are leading by our Boss Ken. Boss Ken! Dali ka dito, Boss Ken! Woo!
Likat?
Yan, ang challenge lang namin dito is medyo mahamog, maulan, maputik, pero kakayanin. Basta sama-sama. Yes. Bughaanan. So we are 8.6 km before Mount Apo Summit. Pero kami mag-overnight na sa aming last campsite for day 1. So this is our day 1. And then from that campsite is 5 kilometers away. Nasa summit na kami. So ang gagawin lang namin is pahinga. Siguro ang dating namin dun sa next campsite will be roughly 5 p.m. Set up ng tent, hapunan, and then mag-night trek kami. Start ng 12 a.m. Yan. See you around team. Yan. Day 1, naabutan na kami ng ulan. Very unpredictable talaga ang weather sa isang rainforest, especially Mount Apo. So we are just 3 hours away from the campsite. At bibilisan na natin to. Yes. Yes, aside from we are ready physically, emotionally, and mentally, dapat may dala din tayong kompletong gamit. Waterproof as a hiker. So dapat meron tayong dalang pangmalakas na gamit, lalo na kapag major hike ang ating inaakyat. Medyo mabigat ng ulan sa aming day 1, but we are comfortable because we have all the things that we need. Waterproof, proper dress code, siyempre dapat pangmalakas yung sapatos natin, and everything is waterproof, and siyempre dapat lightweight. Alright, Big Rock E-Camp. So last camp bago kami pumunta sa aming campsite sa taas. So isang oras lang nasa campsite na kami. So nalagpasan namin yung pinakamahabang assault ng Santa Cruz Trail going to Mount Apo Summit. Excited na kami para mag-set up sa aming campsite at kumain ng aming hapunan. See you around, guys. 30 minutes na lang nasa campsite na kami. And as you can see, ating mga kasama. Ayan o. Grabe ang assault ng day 1. And then approximately, ang aking bitbit ay 20 kilos na backpack. Everything is there. May tent, food, cooking set, damit, at parang nabasa pa ata bag ko, so lalo bumigat. See you guys sa campsite. Yes, nasa campsite na kami. And then syempre meron kaming sariling cooking set. Pero ang grupo namin is may nakahandang hapunan para sa lahat. Pero kami, nagutom kami. May sarili kaming cooking set. At syempre, may sarili kaming pagkain. Just in case na maubusan.
Shoutout sa nanay ko.
Yes.
Salamat sa pansit canton kaninang...
Yan. Madaling araw.
Kahapon pa.
So, day 2. Day 2, camp 2. Night trek kami, mga kapatid. Nag-start kami ng 3 a.m. And then, pangmalakasan na assault. Yes, day 2. After the boulder phase, yan ang aming view. So we're heading up to the tower para mag-breakfast. At ito ang aming mga kasama. Yan o. So estimated namin makaakyat sa Mount Apo Summit roughly around 11 AM. Pero depende sa aming pacing. So, see you later guys. Yes, one of the best assault for day 2. Tingnan nyo ang assault natin. Ang haba niya. But the view itself, grabe. Nakakawala ng pagod. Malapit na kami sa tower. In just few minutes. And then we're just going to have our lunch for day 2. Guys, ito yung mga wild berries. You know. Wild berries na pwedeng kainin, basta yung itim lang daw. Yan. Yung pula medyo mapakla pa. Yan o. Yan o. Kainin natin. Kainin natin. Ang wild berries. Not bad. Matamis. Yan. White Sand E-Camp. 2 kilometers away na lang sa Mount Apo Summit. So nagpaiwan ako kasi may signal. So nag-work muna ako doon sa may signal. And then habulin ko lang yung katim ko para makaabot sa campsite. See you. And that's the crater of Mount Apo. Yan. Napuno lang ng tubig kasi naulan. And then we're heading to the summit na. So konting kembot na lang to. Konting kembot na. Nasa summit na kami. Ito ang magandang view ng Mount Apo crater. Yan. Yung kasama ko si Sir Larry, ang aming guide. Yes. Usay. And then ito na yung summit. Ayun na, Kuya Larry, tama ba yan may summit?
Yan na lang.
Yan yung summit. Tama? Yung sa maraming tao?
Nasa likod lang.
Sa likod ang summit. Alright? So, siguro 10 minutes lang to. And let's do this. At last! Woo! 2,954 meters above sea level. Mount Apo Summit. Digos City Peak. Uy! Congratulations team! Team, congratulations! Come here.
Thank you, Lord!
Thank you, Lord! Tito Alvin!
Thank you, Lord!
Yes. Time check. Our day 2. Day 2. Feb 24. Around 11 AM. Nakarating kami sa Mount Apo Summit. Digos City Peak.
Sige na.
Yes, regional boundary. Nasa highest peak of the Philippines na kami. Mount Apo. So, dito sa north side, this is the North Cotabato, South Cotabato, and then kung saan kami galing is nasa Davao del Sur kami sa Digos City. Ayan, so congratulations everyone, congratulations! Yes! Congratulations! At last, Lake Venado, after we conquered today the highest peak mountain in the Philippines. Right? Di pa nagtatapos doon. Napakadaming summit ng Mount Apo. So sabi nila it's 8, but we tried to conquer 3 summits, which is the Digos City Summit, the Regional Boundary Summit, and then the Kidapawan Summit. So this is gonna be our last day, last camp. And as you can see, napakarami.